It was almost a year ago today, I awkwardly got down on a knee in California and proposed to you. What an adventure it's been since that day. We have traveled to many amazing destinations, and I can't wait to create more memories on our upcoming honeymoon. I look forward to building a family with you and sharing many more adventures with you along the way. You are an intelligent, selfless, confident, supportive, and beautiful woman, inside and out. And I am the luckiest guy in the world to be able to call you my wife.
Cass, you're beautiful, charming, intelligent. You make a mean kale salad. You fit in super well with the crazy Snowden clan, and you make cottage weekends even more fun. And I know that you make Tim really happy.
I'm so thankful that, as luck would have it, 25 years ago, you moved in across the street. And from that day on, you've been my person. You are incredibly hardworking, courageous, kind, and I'm so proud of everything you've accomplished. To say you're my best friend is an understatement. You're truly the sister I never had. And I can't wait to see what the next 25 years have in store.
Firstly, I have to say, you look beyond handsome tonight. Babe, thank you for being the most supportive this last year. You have truly embraced this crazy wedding process and ensured we were a team from start to finish. You were a trooper, whether it was food tastings or deciding what flowers or chairs. You were there to make what seemed like endless decisions together. I must say it turned out perfect.
Kassandra, I'd like to officially and publicly welcome you to our family. You're a welcome addition, even if you can't say fjord in Hawaii. I'd ask that you raise your glasses to Kassandra.
Welcome addition.
Welcome addition to our family. To Cass.
I'm so gone. Anyone could see that I'm wasted. You cut through, and I just wanna know what's in your head. Write it on a piece of paper, honey. Put it in my coat before I go. Hidden in a place you know how.
Sandra, I have to say that you look stunning, and today I am so happy and extremely proud of you and wish you the best now and always. Love you.
Today, I must admit that I was the proudest father in the world to have walked Kassandra down the aisle. I think you'll all agree that she is a stunning and radiant bride. Kathy and I are delighted that she's found someone who she loves and cares for so much. The Snowden family have also welcomed Kassandra with open arms, and for this we are extremely thankful.
Being a team is not a new concept for us, which is why saying yes at the Lone Cypress last year was the easiest yes I've ever had to say. You support all my crazy ideas and overambitious commitments, all while providing endless positivity, even when things may not go as planned. You allow me to be myself day in and day out. You have endless love for your family and friends, and even your leaves. You are the best friend I could have ever asked for, and I can't wait to start this new chapter of life with you. I love you.
Your love's always finding me out. Who am I kidding? If all my defenses come down, baby, will you lay it all on me now? Lay it all on me now. 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 Love's always finding me out. Who am I kidding? For my defenses come down. Baby, will you lay it all